8 powers drill practice. Just like eating nutritious food for the body so that it gets vitamin, calcium, iron, protein, etc. The body receives power. So are these 8 powers for the soul acts like vitamins, calcium, which makes the soul powerful. All these 8 powers have to be acquired by God through Amrit Vela Yoga every day. To fill all the powers inside the soul, we need to increase the power of yoga. By the constant practice of Raj Yoga, the soul becomes endowed with 8 powers, which makes our life happy and peaceful. Just as the connection of the battery with the powerhouse replenishes the battery again. Similarly, by connecting with the Almighty God, the source of all powers, various powers are attained in the soul, among which are these 8 powers that are very much essential in everyone's life. So, let us fill our soul with these powers by understanding the significance and benefits of these powers. The first power is power to pack up. For acquiring the power to pack up, one has to imbibe the quality of humility. Waste thought must be eliminated and intellect to be made powerful. This lesson is to make sure that we are guests on this land. We have to return as soon as the hospitality of 84 bus is completed. Then the guest stays humbly in the house of others and wins everyone's mind by his behavior. In order to imbibe this power, we have to live with the determined thought that I am a humbled soul. The white colored rays of the Almighty God are activating the energy center of the power to pack up of my soul. My power to pack up is enhancing. Now I am detached from the worldly attachment and getting stabilized in the essence. I am forgetting my old sanskars or impressions easily. I am achieving stability of the mind. I am always ready to walk to my home, the supreme abode, by winding up the bed and box of my intellect and thoughts from this Iron Age world. The second power is the power to tolerate. For acquiring power to tolerate, we have to possess the virtue of cheerfulness. The quality of love and forgiveness is necessary. It is said that to become a beautiful idol, the heat of hammer has to be tolerated. We have the knowledge that I am a peaceful soul, the resident of silence world. We can solve every problem by remaining calm. Dispute, enmity, envy, malice can be avoided by keeping silent through this knowledge. We can then bear with strength, not by compulsion. There is a feeling of compassion for others. The inner power of the soul increases. We have defamed God. We have defamed God by calling him omnipresent, but he always forgives. Understand that someone abuses us, tries to humiliate, insults us, then understand that the soul is trying to teach the lesson of tolerance. The stern tendencies of the front person also cool off through the power to tolerate. The white colored rays of the Almighty God are awakening the energy center of the power to tolerate of my soul. My power to tolerate is enhancing. All the souls are playing their different parts in this world stage. So now I am unaffected by their behavior. The bitterness of all my family relationships is getting away, and the relationships are becoming loveful and sweet. Just like a tree gives sweet fruit even if it is stoned, I will always have good feelings and good wishes for those who always do unfavor. The third power is the power to accommodate. For acquiring power to accommodate or adjust, we have to adopt the quality of sweetness, quality of seriousness, and the enormity of the heart. The analogy of ocean is given for this power. Sweet Baba is the ocean of every virtue and power. So we Brahmin children have also become master givers. We souls come into this world drama and play our part sweetly, though having different qualities, temperament, and sanskars, experiencing honor, humiliation, condemnation, praise, defeat, victory. We need to absorb it internally. Just as the ocean turns garbage in the way, likewise, whoever grieves us says bitter words. He is giving, but the power of accommodate, adjust, teaches us the art of cornering by forgiving. From the point of view of brother-brother relation, there is sweetness in each other's behavior. The white colored rays of the Almighty God are activating the energy center of the power to adjust or accommodate of my soul. My power to adjust is increasing. I have realized that every scene in this unlimited drama is beneficial. So now I have no negative thoughts about anyone. I have become a content and satisfied soul, free from questions. I am able to absorb respect, insult, praise, condemnation, gain, loss. So there is increase in mutual relations. Just as the sea embraces the qualities of huge and seriousness, it merges many rivers in itself. So, also my nature is becoming serious and the heart is becoming huge. The fourth power is the power to discriminate. For acquiring power to discriminate, one has to imbibe the quality of divinity, power of discrimination, intellect filled with knowledge or wisdom and clarity of thoughts. Whatever be the soul, but divinity comes in vision of seeing qualities in others, and understanding is gained that it is the weakness of oneself to look at deficiencies of others. So, by self checking, they change themselves and bring divinity in their conduct. The white colored rays of the Almighty God are activating the energy center of the power to discriminate of my soul. My power to discriminate is enhancing. I can now very well discriminate between right, wrong, good, bad, beneficial, non beneficial. This will help me to take right decisions in my worldly and spiritual life, which will lead to efficiency and success in work behavior. Just as a jeweler examines jewelry and gets to know its true and fake identity, in the same way, the truth or lies of any human being cannot be hidden from me, coming in contact with me. The fifth power is the power to judge or power to decide. For acquiring the power to judge, one has to imbibe the virtue of concentration of mind and balance of intellect. Concentration requires the quality of seriousness. Only by concentrating the mind can we remember Baba. And when the mind is silent, the power accumulates and the intellect becomes pure and clear. The mind wanders off and becomes balanced and fair, which in turn is able to give the right decisions. The white colored rays of the Almighty God are awakening the energy center of the power to judge of my soul. The power of decision making is increasing in me. I can now take the right decision without any dilemma. I will achieve success by taking right decisions in my worldly, social, professional, and spiritual field. As a result, I will be free from the ill effects of wrong actions. Just as the right decision is found in the scales only when its middle fork is stable. In a similar way, because of stable fork of my mind, I can take appropriate decision in any situation. The sixth power is the power to face. For acquiring power to face, one has to have the quality of patience, fearlessness, and courage. With this, you can face the unfavorable situation with perseverance. Knowledge is there that whatever happened is beneficial. Nothing is new. Soul is ever young, immortal, indestructible. It changes body dress and plays new parts. There are so many storms when combined with sweet Baba. We Brahmins can easily face the most difficult situations by keeping the stage immovable and unshakable. Being patient makes the situation immovable and unshakable. The white colored rays of the Almighty God are activating the energy center of the power to face of my soul. The power to face in me is increasing. I am able to face my physical, family, worldly, and spiritual problems and situations or natural disasters easily. As a result, I will be free from the effects of all grief, pain, and worries. The seventh power is the power to cooperate. For acquiring power to cooperate, one has to imbibe the virtue of purity. The qualities of love and understanding are necessary. After eliminating the feeling of hatred and envy, one needs to help each other to create pure world. One must imbibe the virtue of purity. I am a point. My father is also a point. Must put full stop to every waste words. Point form souls. The children of Godfather are brothers. As a point, the souls of a shoe father are brothers among themselves. By confirming this lesson, one can imbibe purity and then we can easily execute the Govardhana mountain-like responsibility of creating the new pure world with the help of each other. The white colored rays of the Almighty God are awakening the energy center of the power to cooperate of my soul. The power to cooperate in me is getting increased. Now I can become an associate of any other and get easy support from them in easily overcoming any problems or tasks like a mountain. Along with me, other souls are also assisting in raising the Kali Yuga mountain of sorrow by giving their holy life like finger and cooperating in the mountain like task of establishing heaven. The last eighth power is the power to withdraw. For acquiring power to withdraw, it is to have the quality of aloofness and introversion. Sweet Baba says, till now you have grossly earned for 84 births. Everyone, including the body, has to live here, came alone, and has to go alone. With this understanding, your body and bodily relationships will be lessened. Attachment to material objects will be reduced. Being detached and lovely will continue to play their parts till the end. With understanding, there is a touch inside, and then slowly the relationship of the body, the business, give and take, is withdrawn. That now has to go home. My father has come to take me. By not going into detail, we will narrow it in fewer words with less effort. For this, one has to be introverted intermittently, like tortoise, which covers itself in the armor under severe conditions. We also have to become introverted, being busy with self consciousness plus divine self realization, and withdraw self in the armor of soul consciousness. The white colored rays of the Almighty God are awakening the energy center of the power to withdraw of my soul. My power to withdraw is increasing. There is shrinkage of expansion of all thoughts of my mind, action. Expertise is being attained along with increase in thought power. Just as the tortoise withdraws or stretches its limbs whenever it wants, in a similar way, I will do the action through sense organs at my will, and thereafter will become introverted, remaining bodiless and calm. These 8 powers from Almighty God are spreading in my soul in the form of white colored rays, and I soul have become full with all powers. I am Shiv Shakti combined. I am Master Almighty Authority. I am immovable, unshakable, obstacle free, equal to Father. These 8 powers are emanating from my soul and reaching to all souls of the world. All souls are becoming enthusiastic, full, and satisfied after acquiring these powers. Their sorrow, pain, fear, obstacles, disease, weaknesses are being destroyed, and they are becoming happy, blissful, fearless, obstacle free, healthy, and powerful, and giving thanks as an expression of gratitude. To practice this 8 power drill is to become Ashtabhujadari, 8 armed. This drill can be done while walking and roaming several times throughout the day for 1 to 5 minutes, or can be done at a specified time at place for 15 to 30 minutes as per the capacity, or can be extended up to 1 hour. By imbibing this, there will be pure feelings and good wishes for everyone. Will develop the attitude of acquiring virtue from everyone, absorbing their bad qualities, gain the ability to make the right decisions by discriminating the best and the truth, will remain introverted and bodiless, will cooperate in the task of world welfare, and be ever ready to walk to the supreme abode, winding up the expansion of intellect and thoughts. When the soul is endowed with all the powers, then it gets stabilized in the self-respect of Master Almighty Authority. Om Shanti.